I think I want a gummy bear too. Please recommend clown action.
Today we're using a Dusk Cream 260 long balloon, but you can use any other color you would like. Leave a 12 centimeter tail for this. First start off with a 4 centimeter bubble for the nose, then a pinch twist, then a 2 centimeter bubble. Now onto the head, start with a 4 centimeter bubble for the face, a 2 centimeter bubble for the ear, 4 centimeter bubble for the head, 2 centimeter bubble for the other ear, and a 4 centimeter bubble for the other side of the face. Now tie the two sides of the face together. Then with the nose, put it through the middle of the head. With the 2 centimeter bubbles, turn it into a pinch twist to form the two ears. Now that's done, we'll do the body. Make 4 3 centimeter bubbles. This will be for the hands and the legs. Tie them together at the neck. Now make a 5 centimeter bubble for the tummy. Now wrap it to the back and another 5 centimeter bubble for the back. Now you can cut out the excess and tie a knot. Now the twisting part is done. Let's pick up your markers and get to the drawing part. Start with drawing the eyebrows and the eyes. Use a colored marker to give it some color. Then use a white paint marker to give some highlights. And make sure to give him a smile too. And now you're all done.
Other balloon gummy bear. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.